I'm Mr. Grindler, and here are my creatures. And welcome back to another episode of Mr. Grindlers Creatures. But on today's episode, we're doing something different. And Mr. Grindler, well, myself, I don't know why I'm calling myself Mr. Grindler, but I, myself, am going outdoors. So this video is called Mr. Grindler Goes Outdoors. It's quite a plain title. Maybe I should rethink that actually. I think I might have to. So I have a friend on Instagram called Inverts for Introverts. So Lauren, she's the one that gifted me the tank. And I can't actually show you because something's actually inside it right now, so stay tuned for that video. But Laura invited me out down in Canterbury, so she knows a couple of locations out in some woods. And yeah, it was quite a good day, so she invited me out. I drove down there, and we literally spent the whole day out in the woods and pretty much the evening as well when it was dark. So yeah, there's some footage from the day and there's some footage from the night as well. But I want to say a massive thank you to Lauren for inviting me out, because yeah, it was an absolutely amazing day. I don't really know much about true spiders or, you know, native spiders that we have out in the wild, or anything native, to be quite honest. So it was nice to go out with you, and you know, you was quite clued up on everything. But everything that's ID'd, Lauren gets the credit for, alright? So yeah, I'm not taking the credit. I want to say a massive thank you though, Lauren. Honestly, like, without you IDing this video would have just been a, you know, a bunch of videos and photos and me going, I don't know what this is. To be fair, I still don't really know. But anyway, enough rambling on. Let's get into the video, because yeah, it's good. I've laid it out in a certain way, if I'm honest. But yeah, you'll see most of the spiders and that towards the end of the video. But I hope you enjoy it, guys. Let's go outside.
Nature. Something most of us nowadays don't actually appreciate due to this day and age, with everything revolving around the digital world, and I for one am guilty of that, and I can happily admit it. Now don't get me wrong, I love going outdoors for a walk in the woods, but I'm very much an introvert when it comes to stuff like this. On top of that, my weeks, week by week, are just so full to the brim. So actually getting any spare time to do stuff like this is rather rare, which also makes it rather special when it does happen. But when I do get to go out, it's always amazing, just like this day that I'm about to show you. You will be surprised with what's lurking in the woods, so when you get a chance, take the kids or even friends down and see what you can find. This day in particular, we managed to find some awesome bugs, so sit back, enjoy some scenery, and then we delve into some of the bugs we found, and I'll show some photos at the end. And once again, a massive thanks to Inverts for Introverts for such an amazing day. It went from the afternoon all the way into the evening. I hope you enjoy it all. Now let's delve into some of the bugs that we found while out on our travels. Now this is something I found rather cool. Yeah, I know it's just a slug, but look at all the eggs next to it. Like, look at me getting all excited over a slug. But this is what completed the day for me. Seeing these amphipods, also known as terrestrial shrimp apparently. Yeah, I never knew myself, so I was like, nah, shrimp on land, are you having me on? Well, here it is. And now for some nighttime exploring, and I must admit, this is when we found the majority of things compared to during the daytime.
So that is all the footage for today's episode, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Once again, a massive thank you to Lawrence at Inverts for Introverts. If you haven't, then, you know, go follow her on Instagram. Hopefully I'll put the link down in the description. But yeah, honestly, she's been nothing but a great friend to me for a while now. So I want to say a massive thank you, and I'm looking forward to going out soon. Also, she went out the next day and she found toads, so yeah, frogs, whatever they are. I'm quite gutted about that because I didn't see any frogs. I learned a lot, so thank you very much. But if you could like, comment and share, that would be absolutely great, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon so you're notified of when I upload next. Don't forget, guys, I've got Patreon now, 5 different tiers, so if you want to help and support the channel, then that will be absolutely amazing. I also apologise about my outro, so my patrons have gone off of there and I've had some new ones, so I do need to update it. Basically, I deleted my intro and outro and it was an absolute mess. Yeah, I've just done one of my usual things. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. So Mr. Grindler's done it, so are my creatures, so are my Balfours. But have a great week, guys. You all deserve it. Peace.